quiet whisper, a hand to hold. Through every shadow, your light unfolds. Oh, I wait for you. Every moment fresh and true. Holy Spirit, rest on me like the wind upon the sea. Oh, Holy Spirit, set me free. The mountains bow, the rivers sing. In your presence I find my wings. A love so endless, it changes everything. Oh, I call your name. Ever constant, never the same. Holy Spirit, rest on me like the wind upon the sea. Oh, Holy Spirit, set me free. The storm rolls and the sky turns gray. Winds howl out, the trees they sway. My heart trembles, my knees they bend to you, my shelter, my only friend. Jesus, my refuge, hide me near. Through the shadows, calm my fear. When the waters rise, you draw me clear. Jesus, the shadows on my feet. When the waters rise, you draw me clear. Jesus, my refuge, hide me near. Oh, oh, The dawn breaks slow, the world still spins. I feel your light, it pulls me in. Every shadow fades, your love begins. Whisper soft, I hear your call. Your arms catch me when I fall. Your presence is my peace. The storm is quiet, the chains release. Your presence is my peace. Oh, my soul, it finds its ease. Mountains crumble, seas grow calm. I find my shelter in your palm. Your love's a melody, a healing song. Your voice, a breeze, it carries through every step I walk with you. Your presence is my peace. The storm is quiet, the chains release. Your presence is my peace. Oh, my soul, it finds its ease. Your light breaks through my night. The shadows flee at your side. Every tear, every fight lays down at your throne. Oh Lord, hear my cry. My soul longs to fly. At your feet Heaven's love pours down at your feet. I bow. Breaks through my doubt. A whisper calls, it pulls me out. The clouds may gather, but I won't stray. Your voice like waves that softly speaks. Through every valley, every peak. Spinning, I feel so small. But you're the anchor that holds it all. In your embrace, I find my way. Your love's a fire, it lights the night. Guiding my steps, my heart ignites. wouldn't fade. The weight of sorrow, a debt unpaid. The sky was heavy, the air stood still. But then a whisper broke the night, a flame ignited, soft but bright. Mercy meets me here, through the storm and fear. Mercy meets me here, grace so loud I hear. The trees are swaying like they know a love so deep it makes rivers flow. I feel the earth hum beneath my feet. A voice of thunder, calm and clear, it pulls me closer, draws me near. Mercy meets me here. Storm and fear, mercy meets me here. Grace so loud I hear. Yeah, mountains bow to your name so high. The oceans sing to the endless sky. The stars align in heaven's glow. You reign above all things below. Your love, it shines, it never fades. Through storm and fire, your power stays forever holy. Ooh, ooh, ooh. The night is thick, but I hear your call through the valley deep where the shadows fall. Your voice, it whispers, steady and kind. You're the only guide I need to find. Shepherd of my soul, lead through the storm, through the sea. Shepherd of my soul, stay, guide me in your holy way. Shepherd of my soul, lead through the storm, through the sea. Shepherd of my soul, stay, guide me in your holy way. The road is rough, the wind cuts my face, but your hand holds me in endless grace. When I stumble, when I'm weak, you're near. Your light is brighter than my fear. Oh, I will follow step by step. Where you go, I'll never forget. Shepherd of my soul, lead through the storm, through the sea. Shepherd of my soul, stay, guide me in your holy way. Shepherd of my soul, lead through the storm, through the sea. Shepherd of my soul, stay, guide me in your holy way. I am yours, and you are mine. In your love, I'm intertwined. Oh, no mountain high, no ocean wide can pull me from your faithful side. Ooh, ooh, ooh. A whisper moves across the sea. The stars bow low, they speak to me. The mountains tremble in your name. I'm waiting here, my heart undone. The night is thick, but here you come. Breath of God, fill me. Breath of God, quiet whisper, a hand to hold. Through every shadow, your light unfolds. Oh, I wait for you. Every moment fresh and true. Holy Spirit, rest on me like the wind upon the sea. Oh, Holy Spirit, set me free. The mountains bow, the rivers sing. In your presence I find my wings. A love so endless, it changes everything. Oh, I call your name. Ever constant, never the same. Holy Spirit, rest on me like the wind upon the sea. Oh, Holy Spirit, set me free. The storm rolls and the sky turns gray. Winds howl out, the trees they sway. My heart trembles, my knees they bend to you, my shelter, my only friend. Jesus, my refuge, hide me near. Through the shadows, calm my fear. When the waters rise, you draw me clear. Jesus, my refuge, hide me near. Mountains crumble, rivers flood. Feet sink deep in the rising mud. But your voice whispers, soft and true. Hold on, child, I'm holding you. the dawn breaks slow, the world still spins. I feel your light, it pulls me in. Every shadow fades, your love begins. Whisper soft, I hear your call. Your arms catch me when I fall. Your presence is my peace. The storm is quiet, the chains release. Your presence is my peace. Oh, my soul, it finds its ease. Mountains crumble, seas grow calm. I find my shelter in your palm. Your love's a melody, a healing song. Your voice, a breeze, it carries through every step I walk with you. Your presence is my peace. The storm is quiet, the chains release. Your presence is my peace. Oh, my soul, it finds its ease. The ocean roars, the mountains shake, the stars align, your hands did make. In the quiet, I hear your name. Be still, you are God. Be still, you are God. In the storm, in the calm, be still, you are God. The earth may fade, the sky may fall, Heaven's love pours down at your feet. I bow. The morning light breaks through my doubt. A whisper calls, it pulls me out. The clouds may gather, but I won't stray. Your voice like waves, it softly speaks. Through every valley, every peak. Draw me closer today. I'm here, I'll stay. Draw me closer, I pray. Oh Lord, draw me closer today. I'm here, I'll stay. Draw me closer, I pray. Oh Lord, draw me closer today. Hey, yeah, 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 yeah. Ooh, yeah. The earth is spinning, I feel so small. But you're the anchor that holds it all. In your embrace, I find my way. Your love's a fire, it lights the night. Guiding my steps, my heart ignites. Draw me closer today. I'm here, I'll stay. Draw me closer, I pray. Oh Lord, draw me closer today. I'm here, I'll stay. Draw me closer, I pray. Oh Lord, draw me closer today. I walk in shadows that wouldn't fade. The weight of sorrow, a debt unpaid. The sky was heavy, the air stood still. But then a whisper broke the night. A flame ignited, soft but bright. Mercy meets me here. Through the storm and fear. Mercy meets me here. Grace so loud, I hear. The trees are swaying like they know. A love so deep it makes rivers flow. I feel the earth hum beneath my feet. A voice of thunder, calm and clear. It pulls me closer, draws me near. Mercy meets me here. Through the storm and fear. Through the storm and fear. Mercy meets me here. Grace so loud, I hear. Yeah, yeah. Your truth, it stands, it won't let go. A rock, a shelter in you, I know. Forever holy, you reign. Forever holy, your name. Forever holy, unchanging flame. Forever holy, you reign. Oh, the night is thick, but I hear your call. Through the valley deep where the shadows fall, your voice, it whispers, steady and kind. You're the only guide I need to find. Shepherd of my soul, lead through the storm, through the sea. Shepherd of my soul, stay, guide me in your holy way. Shepherd of my soul, lead through the storm, through the sea. Shepherd of my soul, stay, guide me in your holy way. The road is rough, the wind cuts my face, but your hand holds me in endless grace. When I stumble, when I'm weak, you're near. Your light is brighter than my fear. Oh, I will follow, step by step. Where you go, I'll never forget. Shepherd of my soul, lead through the storm, through the sea. Shepherd of my soul, stay, guide me in your holy way. Shepherd of my soul, lead through the storm, through the sea. Shepherd of my soul, stay, guide me in your holy way. I am yours, and you are mine. In your love, I'm intertwined. Oh, no mountain high, no ocean wide can pull me from your faithful side. Ooh, ooh, ooh. A whisper moves across the sea. The stars bow low, they speak to me. The mountains tremble in your name. I'm waiting here, my heart undone, night is thick, but here you come. Breath of God, fill me. Breath of God, heal me. Breath of God, still me. I am yours. A fire burns where shadows lay. Your mercy lights the broken way. I lift my hands, I lift my soul. Your voice, it calls, I'm not alone. The heavens sing, you've made me whole. Breath of God, feel me. Breath of God, heal me. Breath of God, still me. I am yours. The storm rolls and the sky turns gray. Winds howl out, the trees they sway.